Hey everyone, it's Good Banana here, and today I'm going to tell you how many Robux you will earn from making your own personal Roblox game for free. I know that everyone wants to know how to make more Robux, and I'm here to give you all the answers. In Roblox, you can earn ROBUX by creating games, doing commissions, and more. But one of the most popular ways to get Robux has always been developing a Roblox game. You get paid with Robux for every visit made to your game. This is thanks to something called premium payouts. Premium payouts is a feature on Roblox that helps creators on the platform earn more Robux with no extra effort. The more players your game has, the more Robux you could end up making that day. Although you do not need to have a crazy amount of players. All you have to do to enable premium payouts in your own Roblox game is to make sure your game is public and that it has been published for at least 7 days. This is not the only way to get Robux from your game. There are also other ways, like creating virtual goods to sell in your Roblox game, or creating paid access areas and sponsored events. Each of these methods can help you earn a good amount of Robux. Let me share a personal example. I recently developed a game called Stack the Blocks. It has gained just above 1.4 thousand plays with no paid advertisements. And besides the low amount of visits, I have earned around 400 Robux in total. About 75% of the revenue came from premium payouts, and the rest is from product sales in the game. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn Robux, and creating a game is one of them. While the exact amount of Robux you can get from a game varies, you can generally expect to get about 300 Robux per 1000 visits. I hope this information helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.